Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create community group in WhatsApp Business. First of all, just open up the WhatsApp Business application. Now here, click on this plus message in the bottom right of your screen, and now you can see these options here: new group, new contact, or new community. So just simply tap on this new community, click on this get started. Now from here you need to input a community name. I am going for this office. In this case you can simply type the description, you can go ahead and do that, but for now just click on this next icon here. By the way, you can change the photo itself. If you want to, just click on the change photo there. In this case it's going to automatically create an announcement section for us, which in this case will be allows us to basically send announcements to different groups. Now also, if you want to add a new group for your community, just click on this add group here, and from here you can either choose create new group or add an existing group, but in this case that's how you can create a community group. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.